Did you know that tea can be an important part of your diabetes management strategy, starting in the morning? These 7 teas have been studied and proven to help lower blood sugar. But are they right for you? People with diabetes don't have to give up the things they love, and tea can be a great option. Join me as I explore 7 teas that can help you start your day healthy and keep your blood sugar levels stable. Don't miss this video as I share some additional tips on how to drink tea to get the most out of your diabetes management. Number 1. Fennel tea, a natural secret to maintaining digestive health and controlling blood sugar. Fennel tea is the perfect drink if you want to improve your digestive system and keep your blood sugar levels stable. With fennel seeds, which are full of fiber and natural compounds, this tea not only aids digestion but also helps your body absorb nutrients better. Fennel seeds slow down digestion, helping you feel full longer and avoid hunger pangs between meals, which is extremely helpful if you are trying to control your blood sugar. When you combine fennel tea with oranges, you have a drink that is not only delicious but also extremely nutritious. Oranges provide vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and protect the body from pathogens. This is not only beneficial for overall health but also helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, helping you avoid sudden spikes in blood sugar that many people with diabetes experience. How to make fennel tea is also very simple. You just need to steep a spoonful of fennel seeds in 500 milliliters of boiling water for about 5 minutes. After filtering out the pulp, add a slice of orange or a little orange juice to create flavor. This drink not only has a pleasant taste but also brings many benefits to the body, helps quench thirst and effectively supports digestion. Fennel tea has become a part of the daily routine of many people thanks to the obvious health benefits it brings. Number 2. Chamomile tea, a natural relaxation option that helps your body stay calm and stable. If you are looking for a drink that helps relax and soothe the body, chamomile tea is the ideal choice. In addition to its outstanding effect in calming the nerves and helping you relax, chamomile tea is also great for controlling blood sugar levels. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile tea helps soothe the digestive system and reduce the feeling of bloating. This is an important factor in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, especially when you are facing stress or anxiety, factors that can cause a sudden increase in blood sugar. Chamomile tea also brings great relaxation after heavy meals, helping the body to digest easily and reduce discomfort. In particular, combining chamomile with mint not only creates a delicious flavor but also enhances the effects of tea, helping your body always feel light and relaxed. Mint has a cooling effect on the body, aids digestion and also helps relieve headaches, a very important factor if you often feel stressed. The recipe for chamomile tea with mint is very easy to make. You just need to boil a spoonful of dried chamomile and a few mint leaves in about 500 milliliters of water. Steep for 5 minutes, filter out the residue and enjoy while still hot. In particular, this tea can help you feel relaxed even on the busiest days. Number 3. Green tea, a great drink that is not only good for your health but also helps control blood sugar effectively. Green tea is probably one of the familiar drinks that many people love, but not everyone knows that it also brings many outstanding health benefits. Not only is it a source of mild caffeine that helps you stay awake and focused, green tea also contains extremely powerful antioxidants such as catechins, which help the body reduce oxidative stress. This is important because oxidative stress can be one of the main causes of increased blood sugar levels in the body, especially for people with diabetes or at high risk. In addition, green tea also helps improve insulin sensitivity, an important factor in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. By helping the body use insulin more effectively, green tea not only helps reduce blood sugar levels but also supports the body's energy metabolism. If you want to enhance the effects of green tea, try combining it with a little lemon and ginger. Lemon not only provides vitamin C to boost the immune system but also helps to soothe the body, while ginger has anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. The recipe for green tea with lemon and ginger is very simple. Just boil water, add a spoonful of green tea, let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, then strain and add lemon juice and a few slices of ginger. This is a drink that not only helps you relax but also brings great health benefits, especially when you want to maintain a balanced blood sugar level in the body. Number 4. black raspberry leaf tea, natural secret to regulate blood sugar and aid digestion. Black raspberry leaf tea is not only a delicious drink but also a great companion for those who want to control blood sugar naturally. Many studies have shown that black raspberry leaf tea has the ability to reduce fluctuations in blood sugar, helping you maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. In particular, for people with diabetes, controlling blood sugar levels is extremely important to reduce the risk of complications related to the disease. Not only does it help regulate blood sugar, black raspberry leaf tea also helps the digestive system work more effectively. The compounds in black raspberry leaves help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, while reducing the feeling of fullness and discomfort after meals. Therefore, if you are looking for a light drink that brings many benefits to the body, black raspberry leaf tea is definitely a choice not to be missed. In addition, black raspberry leaf tea also plays an important role in protecting cells from free radical attacks, the main cause of oxidative stress in the body. This not only helps prevent aging but also supports cardiovascular health and reduces inflammation, two important factors for people with diabetes. To make tea, simply boil black raspberry leaves in water, let it steep for about 5 to 7 minutes and then enjoy. This will be a nutritious drink and easy to add to your daily diet. Number 5, licorice tea, a natural gift that helps you enjoy relaxation and better health. If you are looking for a gentle yet beneficial drink, licorice tea may be the perfect choice. Not just a tea, licorice also contains natural compounds that help reduce stress and soothe the nervous system, bringing a feeling of relaxation after busy hours. Especially for people with diabetes, licorice tea can help regulate blood sugar levels effectively, reducing the feeling of fatigue due to fluctuations in sugar levels in the body. Not only that, licorice tea is also a great assistant in improving the digestive system. When the body faces problems such as bloating, indigestion, licorice tea helps soothe the stomach, promote digestion and reduce discomfort after meals. In addition, licorice tea also supports in reducing symptoms of digestive disorders and helps the body absorb nutrients better. The ingredients in licorice tea help boost the immune system, soothe the stomach lining, and support the liver in processing toxins, which is extremely important in maintaining overall health. The anti-inflammatory properties of licorice tea also help reduce the risk of inflammatory problems in the body, helping you maintain long-term health without having to worry about health problems related to diabetes or other chronic diseases. With a simple preparation method, you only need a few slices of licorice, steep in boiling water and enjoy the tea while it is still hot. If you want to enhance the flavor, you can add a little honey or lemon to increase the freshness and help improve the ability to absorb nutrients in the tea. Number 6, ginger tea. Start the day with awakening and boosting energy. Starting the day with ginger tea can be the perfect choice to help you feel awake and full of energy. Ginger not only helps warm the body but also stimulates blood circulation, bringing better circulation in the body, helping you feel healthy and ready to face all challenges. In particular, ginger tea is an ideal choice in the morning when you need a boost to start the working day with enthusiasm. Not just a simple warm drink, ginger tea also helps stimulate the digestive system, soothe the stomach and reduce the feeling of fullness after meals. The compounds in ginger help the body absorb nutrients more effectively, helping you maintain a healthy digestive system. This is why ginger tea can help you feel light and comfortable all day long. In addition to its effects on the digestive system, ginger is also a great assistant in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Ginger helps reduce fluctuations in blood sugar, which is especially beneficial for people with diabetes or trying to control their blood sugar levels. Drinking ginger tea regularly can help you maintain steady energy throughout the day without having to worry about an afternoon energy slump. Number 7, turmeric tea, the secret to reducing inflammation and maintaining stable blood sugar. Turmeric tea is a great drink if you are looking for a natural way to reduce inflammation and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Turmeric, with its main ingredient curcumin, stands out for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammatory reactions in the body. For people with diabetes, reducing inflammation is an important factor in preventing complications and improving overall health. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, turmeric tea also helps improve liver function, an organ that plays an important role in regulating blood sugar and detoxifying. Regular consumption of turmeric tea helps the body function more effectively, supporting the metabolism of nutrients and minimizing the accumulation of toxins. This not only helps to improve health but also supports the body in controlling stable blood sugar levels. Adding honey to turmeric tea will increase the anti-inflammatory effects, as honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey is also a source of vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and protect the body from pathogens. When combined with turmeric tea, you not only reduce inflammation but also provide the body with the necessary nutrients to maintain long-term health. To enjoy turmeric tea, simply add a little turmeric powder to hot water, stir well, and you can add a spoonful of honey to increase the flavor as well as the therapeutic effect. Turmeric tea is a great choice to add to your daily diet, helping you maintain good health and better control your blood sugar levels. Starting your day with a cup of tea can be a great habit to control diabetes and maintain overall health. Teas such as fennel tea, chamomile, green tea, black raspberry leaf, ginger, licorice, and turmeric all have their own benefits, helping to regulate blood sugar, aid digestion, and increase resistance. Try incorporating these teas in the morning and feel the difference in your daily life. What is your favorite tea? Share it with us in the comments and don't forget to try a cup tomorrow.